Yeah, I stopped by Robert Lightburn once more. And funny enough, the weather. Yeah man, rain just start fall. So we have to give thanks to the water, you know? Yes man. Yeah man. And we up the bay, Marant Bay. Yes man. It's a blessed day, you know? We need sun time still. As I tell you from before, some of the days it gonna be fun. Nice. Yes man. Really hard vibes, you know? And some of the days well, you're gonna have some days where it's just about the average, you know. Yeah man. Just life for what it is. Yeah man. No preservative, no additive, you know? All natural. Yeah man, so just stick around and come take a walk with me. Blessings every time. Merry Christmas. I want to say a special shout out to a community member from my community. Yeah man, George, you know the energy, you know. It's a blessing man. Give thanks to the strength a million times over daddy. Yes man. But you know George have some manure. Yeah man, guys, I'm gonna raise him chicken, you know, from time to time. It's a blessing. Yes man. So him say me for come pick up the manure them, so figure more or less I'll just carry you all with I man. Yeah man, I'll show you around. I would love to walk you all through the process of preparing the food, yeah. But oh my real, time is against me man. So much to do in such a short time, but stick around man. This is hard, really hard life. Yeah man, today is nothing too exciting, you know. Just about the average. Yeah man. No the energy go, I country with you know. Keep it simple, you know. Come on man. Show you all around, you see? It's a blessed day.
No more yet man. No more. Me I go show you. No.
Here comes the boy. Let's sing. Shoot, baby.
This is hard, you know. Really hard life. Up on a boat and I do the right thing. Yes man, it's a blessing. See all of the chicken in there, easy back. Yeah man. No place like home, I tell you.
swimsuit.
Mm-hmm.
Pitch they pig them.
See them. Alright. And a picture of video. So I video the pig them and I video the chicken them. See?
So I have video them.
I put it on YouTube.
Anton see it on us laptop. You dey on us laptop.
Mm-hmm.
You never hear me that call you when you that good on a mother yard. Good on your shop. In a us laptop.
Me can't hear your tree laptop.
I'm a car killer in a laptop.
It ain't easy there. Is he a car killer too?
Your video you.
Yeah, I'm a video of the countryside.
Your video on killer.
Yeah, man. When killer cook. You're gonna pretty no man. Big up on yourself. It's a blessing, man. Real blessings, you know. Yeah, man, you hear that sound there? You know what that mean? You're reaching near the river. Yeah, man, so he's like, yeah, we'll hurry up and reach. Yeah, man, but as I tell you, it's a nice walk, you know, man. Yo! About a mile, I'd say. Or a mile and a half, something like that. I'm not so sure, though. But when I come in here, I know. Shelly Castle over there. Yeah, man. No place like home, you know? Yeah, man. Whoa! Yeah, man. Off the grid, real off the grid style, you know? Yo! Yes, man. I take time, I do it. Whoa! You want me ready from come here, sir? I have to stop it up. You see it? Refresh it. Woo! Yo, me actually say, I want you a second to none blood. Yeah, man, I want you are the best. Up and about. Funny enough, you know, I want to show you guys a whole lot more, yeah, man. Whole lot more of the video, but what's the biggest problem that I have so far is that the internet, it has been giving me a fight from the other day. Trust me, I don't know what's the problem. Yeah, man. And I've been running out of space in terms of memory. I don't know what's the problem with the phone, but I'm still gonna try to do my contents. Still I go put things together for show you all. Yeah, man. But right now, I'm a little bit short on footage, so this is it for now. Yes, man. And just look out for more. A whole lot more coming. Yeah, man. I don't know what is the issue, but my storage and my video, them just keep disappearing. I don't know what's the problem, but I'm gonna keep trying, same way. Yes, man. This is the yard. Stick around. One love, one heart. Blessings again. Yeah, to all my subscribers out there, if you want to get to me, I don't have a PayPal. Yeah, man. It's a rough task to get them something there. Yeah, man. My number though is 836 1335. Yeah, man. That's the Yard Life number. So business number, you can hit me up at any given time. Yeah?